Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the Frugal Watchbox channel for another watch unboxing video. Today, we're unveiling the gold-plated Skmei 1123, also known as the Skmei Vogue, a homage to the retro Casio A158W. This package comes directly from Skmei, China and took a week to arrive. Let's open it up and see what's inside. This watch costs only about $9, including shipping, so we don't expect a box. Let's move on with the unboxing. Here we have two watches, one gold and one silver. There is only one layer of bubble wrap, but thankfully the watches seem fine. In today's video, we will only reveal and review the gold model. The silver one will be reviewed later this week. Let's remove the simple plastic wrapping and discuss the watch. At first glance, it looks promising. But first, let's check out the documentation. We have the Skmei 10-digit operation version 2 manual, which explains the features, including the operation manual, real-time, daily alarm settings, chronograph functions, and time settings. The other side of the manual contains Chinese instructions. Let's put this aside and examine the watch. As usual, there is the familiar Skmei watch tag without the model number, which is common to all Skmei watches. Wow, it looks just like the Casio A158W ETG9A, the gold-plated A158W. The only difference is that the Skmei 1123 has a solid zinc alloy gold-plated case, as opposed to Casio's resin case. It is also heavier at 57 grams compared to the A158W's 45 grams. Let's remove all the protective plastic from the clasp and bracelet. It seems that this watch has more protection than the Casio. And finally, the case back protective sticker. Wow, it's really beautiful. I can't believe this is just a $9 watch. Let's talk dimensions. The case size is about 33 millimeters. The lug-to-lug distance is about 36 millimeters. Thickness of about 9 millimeters. The lug width of approximately 18 millimeters. The weight is about 57 grams. Now, let's discuss the gold-plated zinc alloy case. On top of the display is the prominent bold Skmei logo, followed by alarm chronograph on the right. Below are the water 30-meter resist imprints. On the right, we have a gold-plated single button to control the alarm on or off in 12 to 24-hour functions. While on the left, there are two buttons to control light and mode. On the display panel to the far right is the date, followed by the day and small indicators for alarm, hourly signal, and 24-hour mode. Below are the larger digits for hour, minute, and second. The bracelet is solid stainless steel with folded links. It is crudely made with sharp edges, but what can you expect from a $9 watch? There is a stainless steel imprint on the bracelet. It is poorly constructed, and only time will tell if it is durable. But overall, the bracelet is quite impressive. There is no Skmei logo on the clasp. The caseback is stainless steel with all the necessary imprints, such as the water resistance rating, model number, Skmei logo, and battery code. Now, let's compare it with the original Casio A158W. It seems that both have the same module, number 593, as all the digits and indicators are similar. Now, let's size this bracelet to fit my slender 6.5-inch wrist. That's done. Let's put it on my wrist. It's a little tight, but we can adjust it later. Well, that is really impressive, just the right size for my wrist. And what a beauty if you like gold watches. It is only a $9 watch, but looks very impressive if you don't count the crudely made bracelet. The pros of this watch are, of course, the price and the zinc alloy case compared to Casio's resin case. It also has a better LED light, as you will see later in this video. Now let's see the LED backlight and compare it with the Casio A158W. First, the Skmei 1123 Vogue. Very striking clear LED light, no complaints at all. Now, the Casio A158W. Not so impressive, only lighting part of the screen. Casio could improve this. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one. If you found the video useful, please subscribe and hit that like button. Bye for now.